In this video, we're going to be covering the scapula, which is your shoulder blade. There are 6 structures that you need to know on the scapula, so let's start. Here we have a posterior view and an anterior view of a left scapula. The first structure will be the spine, which goes across the top of the scapula. Second, we have the medial border, which is also known as the vertebral border, since it sits next to the vertebrae. Third, we have the lateral border, which is also known as the axillary border, which faces the armpits. Then, on its lateral side, you will have the acromial process, which sits on the posterior side, and will connect to the clavicle. Then, we have the coracoid process, which sits on the interior side. Finally, we have the glenoid cavity, which is also known as the glenoid fossa, which is this depression where the humerus will sit. Here we're going to show you the clavicle, which is your collarbone. We will be covering 2 structures of the clavicle, and here we have a right clavicle. The sternal end, which is the medial side, and taker and boxier will connect to the sternum. And then we have the acromial end, which is lateral, and it looks flatter and sharper. It will be connected to the acromial process of the scapula.